How to automatically DM everyone who comments on your post or reels in Instagram for free. You've probably seen how influencers on Instagram ask you to leave a comment under their post and then send you a direct message with a link to a product, right? For example, a content creator makes a reel about a dress and then sends you an affiliate link to Amazon in your DMs so you can buy that dress easily. This is done using special apps like Apiway. In this video, you'll learn how to set up this kind of automation for free in just 5 minutes. First, let's open Apiway. If you don't have an account yet, just sign up. It's quick, easy and free. The sign up link is right below this video. You've created your account, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is connect your Instagram account. Just go to the My Apps tab and find Instagram DMs auto reply in the list and click Select. Once it appears, click Connect and click Connect again. You'll be redirected to the official Instagram page. Just hit Allow. Don't worry, you're not giving us your login or password. This works through Instagram's official API, totally safe and secure. To make the automation work, your Instagram account needs to be a business or creator type. If you see a professional dashboard at the top of your profile, you're all set. If not, you'll need to switch to a professional account first. To do that, tap the 3 lines in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Account, Type and Tools. Tap Switch to Professional Account. Select the category that best describes you or your business and click Switch to Professional Account. Now Instagram will ask if you're a creator or a business. Tap either Business or Creator. Both types support DM automation. If you're an influencer, personal brand or content creator, choose Creator. If you represent a company, store or service, go with Business. Don't worry, you can always switch back anytime you want. Instagram may ask you to add or confirm business contact details, email, phone number. You can edit or skip this step. That's it. You've now switched to a business account. Alright, let's get back to setting up the DM's auto-reply. We've connected the Instagram app and made sure our account is set to business. Now it's time to build our automation. Click Create a Way to get started. In the trigger field, select Instagram DMS auto-reply. You'll see a few options. When someone comments on a specific post or reel. Perfect if you're promoting something in a single post. Example: you post a reel about a dress and ask followers to comment dress. They'll instantly get a DM with the product link. Other option: when someone DMs you a specific keyword. Great for automating replies to story viewers or curious followers. Example, you say, DM me the word PDF to get the free checklist, and they automatically get it in their inbox. And the last option, when someone comments on any post or reel. Use this for a more general setup across all your content. Example, anytime someone comments course on any post, they'll get a message with your product catalog. Let's start with the most popular one. When someone comments on a specific post or reel. Let's say you're promoting a product and want to send the link via DMS. For example, imagine you posted a reel and said, "Want the link to this dress? Just comment dress and I'll DM it to you." So in the keyword field, enter dress. Quick note, the keyword is not case sensitive. That means it doesn't matter how your followers type it, with capital letters, small letters, or a mix. For example, they can type dress, all uppercase, dress, with a capital D, or just dress, all lowercase. It all works the same. Then choose the specific post or reel from the drop-down list. Now that the trigger is ready, let's move on to the Action tab. In the Action field, select Instagram DMS auto reply. Then choose the action. Send direct messages DMS and click Update available fields to unlock the message editor. Now you can write the message your followers will receive right after commenting. For example, hey, here's the link to the dress you asked about dress. You can also add an image and a button. And paste a link. When you're done, don't forget to hit on in the top right corner to activate the automation. Great! Now let's test it out and see how it works in action. Imagine you're a follower scrolling through Instagram. You see a post that says something like, "Want the link to the dress? Just comment the word dress below." So you type dress in the comments and boom, within seconds, you get a DM with the exact link. No manual work. It just works. Super cool, right? Now let's take a look at another feature that can help boost your engagement. You've probably seen it before. Someone comments dress under a post and the creator replies right under that comment with something like, "Sent you the link in DMs." That can be done automatically too. No need to reply manually every time. Let me show you how to set that up. Pick the condition when someone comments on a specific post with a keyword. Enter the keyword and choose Post. In the Action tab, select Reply to a comment. Click Update Available Fields and type your auto-reply message. For example, "Hey, just sent you the link in DMs, check it out." Once that's done, hit the ON switch and your new reply automation is live. Let's take a quick look at how this would actually look in Instagram. Imagine you publish a post or reel about that dress. Then one of your followers comments with the keyword dress. Right after, they get an automatic DM with the link to buy the dress. At the same time, your comment gets an automatic reply like, "Hey, just sent you the link in DMs, check it out." This way, your followers won't miss your message and you keep the conversation going easily. That's it. Now you know how to set up automatic Instagram DMs to reply to comments quickly, easily, and free. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.